Check out the craft. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. That is a very nice craft. That's genius. That's like 100 IQ right there. 100 IQ is bad, right? 200 IQ. In anticipation of my new computer, I'm gonna craft it. Intel craft. Yo, Intel, please sponsor me. Has this been done before? Hold on. 47 times. Guys, new one-of-one craft by yours truly. Oh, you can also get it as a souvenir. Oh, that's genius. There we go. Panic buy, panic buy. No, it's on the handle! No! Oh, that's why it's so cheap. That's actually best pause. And I'm not coping.